know Dollar Tree had a $5 aisle. Hello friends, welcome. Today I'm in the Dollar Tree. I haven't been in the Dollar Tree for 2 months. And wow, look what's in my store. They have some new floor care essentials. And am so surprised because I have not seen it in any other Dollar Tree videos. Well, I missed it. But guys, this is such a great deal. You can get some microfiber mop pads, and you have the broom sold separately, the stick that goes to it. But this is such a great deal. Yes, so Swiffer mops retails around $20. The reason I came in the Dollar Tree is to get some Lime Away for a cleaning hack that I want to try, and I just want to use a cheaper product to try it. And also I came to buy my husband some sparkling water with the flavor, and he said the Dollar Tree sells the 2-liter for $1, and I didn't know that. So just looking around at other drinks that they have, I have never tried these, so I cannot tell you how they taste. Friends, I'm gonna take you down the $5 aisle that I didn't know Dollar Tree had. And another customer said, well, how can they put $5 in a Dollar Tree store? Are they going to change the name? I'm not sure. But some of these things are cute and reasonable, and some things that you can use. But what I'm looking at, not the price, but the quality of it. Because some of this stuff is not good quality. And just like, for instance, those storage bins, you might as well just pay $5 more and get a good quality bin at the Target store, or maybe Ross, pay a few more dollars. So it's just up to you on what you like and your style and your taste. But I'd rather pay for better quality things than to keep buying things over. So I'm just going to show you down the aisle a few things that they have. Friends, I have no idea, and I don't know. You're just going to have to weigh out your options. But I did look online. They said that they were bringing some very good reason why they did this, to bring better quality to their consumers and to bring more name brand things into their stores. But like I said, I'm not sure. I cannot say. And the paper towel here is a good deal. It's $5 for 6, so that's a pretty good deal. So like I said, you have to kind of weigh out your options. And I'm looking at some of their parts and stuff. Nah, don't think so. You waste your money buying cheap parts unless you're using it for other reasons than just cooking, or you're just using something you're just gonna throw away if you're out of town or something like that. But this is what's going on with the Dollar Tree world. Some of these things I have to compare them to Walmart and the other Family Dollar stores and see what's the price of these things, because I'm not sure. Another thing I like on the $5 aisle is that you get some Dawn dish detergent for $5, because the small one in other stores for $1 is not worth it. So I like that they're giving you more dish detergent, and these trash bags look like a good price, only $3, and you're getting more of the merchandise. And that's what we have to look at. Is it worth it? And I'm giving it a thumbs up overall. I don't like cheap paper plates though. I don't like that. Oh, now this is cute. They do have some things down here for the kids. I don't know if you saw that movie called Soul. They have some recent little toys, and it's only $5, so that's a good deal. That's not bad at all. And they have some little coloring books and things for kids, little doll babies. So like I said, you just have to weigh out your options on the things you want to buy and the quality of what you want to buy. Is it a value versus the dollar store? And I also saw these t-shirts, which I thought was cute. To be honest with you, they looked like they were kid size. I didn't, pick them up. I didn't want to mess them up. Yeah, I think they are kids. And how many of you remember the Rugrats? The Rugrats. So, hope y'all enjoying this on today. So if you're coming to Dollar Tree and you're looking for the dollar merchandise, just stick to the dollar merchandise. But I just want to let you know, there is a $5 aisle in Dollar Tree. I thank you so much for stopping by on today, and those that are new, thank you so much, and I hope you're enjoying this video. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment so I'll know that you came by and join. And please do share.
And it's all because of you. Hey, what's gonna give you more time forever? Know what they say, only time will tell. You know what they say, you never really care. Hey, when I'm sleeping with someone new, I just close my eyes and think of you. When I'm sleeping with someone new, I can't help myself, I wonder if you still feel the way I feel. Are you sleeping with someone?
Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed, prosperous week. Until I see you again in my next video. Bye-bye from Penny.